Dominican Republic check.
What it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden.
Hello, welcome back. I'm back. I'm at the airport. I told y'all last vlog I was going on a little trip. And we here, we active. Today's the day. I look crazy. I got these little anchoitas. I call them anchoitas in my head. But I'm at Newark right now. And it was actually really, really smooth. I checked in, dropped my bag, my flight boards at what's on my flight board? My flight board's at 9:50. It's like 8 something. I'm looking for my phone. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna tell you where I'm going yet because it's a surprise, but best believe when I get there I'm definitely gonna make a motherfucking scene. All right, so I'm about to eat my breakfast. This is what I got. Starbucks, and wait for my flight to board, and let's be active. I'm excited, y'all, so let's go.
No.
Girl, look outside. It's beautiful weather for flying, period. This flight is fucking packed. Mad heads in here, but I got a window seat, so that's all I care about. But yeah, yo, let's go. Flight number 1, we out. Guess who I'm with? I'm gonna give y'all 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Where we at, bitch? In Dominican Republic. You bitches can't even spell Dominican Republic. Goofies. Bitch, not you, but you here.
I can't spell it.
You look crazy, y'all. I'm in this thick ass hoodie. It's about 90 degrees out here.
I've been here since 1, and it's.
Yep. It's 5. It's literally 5.
I landed at 1.
Yep. Well, at least everything else took like a little while.
It did, like by the time when I texted you at 2 is when I was already like sitting down waiting for you.
Yeah. It's the hair for me.
No, I love it.
We'll be back for the room tour. We need to do a room tour, bitch. Bye. My hair. It's been about 10 hours. This is what I'm looking like. Homeless. Crazy. Y'all, we in the Dominican, period.
Habla español.
Give y'all a room tour. Y'all, we fucking finally landed. Took us 40 minutes to get here, but this is worth everything right now. Look at this fucking mirror. Period. Let me stop cursing. This is our beautiful ass room. We have a little mini bar. Cute little selfie mirror. By our pictures? Yes. Okay, period. Our bed, Angelica. Honestly, this would be a cute place for a vacation too. We already took off our shoes and shit. This beautiful ass tub that we're gonna use because I have bath bombs and shit. We have like a little loungy area. This is cute to take pictures too, bitch. Right in this little couch. Right in that little area. Y'all, we have a balcony. Hold up. With a little shitty. Hold up. Y'all, look at this view. Stop. Like, I love it here. This is one of the hotels that have the swim up pool. So we have a pool right under us. And it's just a vibe. I'm really excited to be here. I'm happy to be here. I already took off my shit. We done traveled all fucking day. Actually, no, it is cooler in here. If you step out there and then come in here. Okay. But y'all, look at this, even this view behind me. Like, come on, son. You wish you were here, but you're not. You can watch this vlog though. Say hi, bitch. Hi. And I'm already drinking. Presidente. Period. Bitch. Y'all. It's a pool day. We about to go to breakfast. But y'all, it's fucking cloudy. Me and Angie are like, yo, where's the sun, son? So we gonna give it a little minute. We about to go to breakfast. See what this breakfast is hitting for. We about to get cute. Ow. You dressed? Barely.
Yeah.
Barely.
I have to wait for here.
But yeah, I'm not hungry though. I want eggs.
I don't know where it is. No, I'm not where it is.
What?
I don't know what I want. I don't know where it is.
Alright, y'all, so this is the first outfit of the trip. Not outfit, but what's this? Swimsuit. First swim outfit. So the bathing suit is Shein shorts. I think are from Rainbow, but I got these last year, so yeah. Right, definitely don't quote me because I'm a liar. What is this? Little flip-flops from Rainbow too, actually. Little bucket hat from a store in Dykeman, period. I ain't telling y'all because y'all gonna sell them out and I want another one. This is cute. Period. We about to get breakfast. I'm waiting for Angie's ass. What she doing, beach? Period. We look cute already.
Right? It's just, I think
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Yeah.
I just need
So,
something
yeah.
real quick. I just need a little bit of color.
No, legit. So, hopefully the breakfast is good. I didn't even tell the vlog the drinks is not hitting, y'all. The drinks are not hitting. It took me like 11 shots to get like even a little drunk last night. Angie's a lightweight, so she not the bitch to drink with.
First of all, bitch, don't tell people that.
They know this already.
Don't tell people
They
that.
know this from previous
Don't
vlogs.
tell them.
This light is so good. But yeah, let's get breakfast. Let's see what it's hitting for. And I'm gonna ask for mimosa. We're gonna rate her 1 to 10. Period. Let's go. Yo, breakfast was a hit. Was breakfast a hit?
Yes,
We out here masked up, y'all.
my hair like this.
See, it's so hot. We can't even try to be cute, but look at our drinks, y'all. Hold on, let me zoom in. Shut. We should take the shot right now. You ready? You ready, Martina?
Really, you know what?
Hold on.
You know I can't have this fucking salt.
Oh, we should have some sugar. It's shot o'clock, bitch. It's 11 a.m., but it's time for shot.
These fucking masks.
But stay safe, y'all. Don't be listening to us.
We're vaccinated.
We're vaccinated, short night. Maternal mommy over here. Like it's fine. Better than last night. That's how you take a shot like a G. Last time you saw us was breakfast. We at the fucking pool lit. We came back to get money. And we came in that bitch like, wait, we're lit.
No, for real. I walked into the room and I'm like, wait.
We came to test our tans, which we do have a little bit. We love that for
very
us.
little. But
We
we're
need
gonna
to
get
cook
there.
up.
We're gonna be back and like the color that we're gonna have is gonna be so
Y'all not gonna know me. Y'all gonna be like, who? What? Who that? Yeah, I don't know where I'm going in this whole hotel.
She really can't.
If it wasn't for Angie, I would be lost, y'all.
Don't ask me about time.
I'm gonna just follow the music, cause I can't.
Oh my god.
Not time and don't ask me about time and direction.
Don't ask me about time and direction. I can get there though.
Y'all, I should have showed y'all the amount of drinks and shots we had. Come. Un poquitico. Un poquitico. El diablo, pero. As you can see, disheveled, fucked up, a mess. But we can go ahead together. Me and Angie came back to the room, took a nap. We said we'll be up at 5:45. It's 6:30, y'all. Dinner's at 8:30.
Look at my face.
Thing 1 and thing 2 over here. We're gonna be back when we're cute. Don't judge us right now. Give us an hour and a half.
Yeah, an hour and a half.
Put it up.
What time is it?
Y'all. Who is this boy? Y'all know him from anywhere?
I don't know that.
With my flannel on.
Not my flannel.
Phone 1 and 2. That's so cute. That's God, bitch.
You look pretty. You look pretty.
What? So red. You said it was coming
Look
back
at this.
fire. Y'all, it's under my arm.
Hold on. How do I?
Bitch, all you gotta do is flip her down.
Oh. And then it flips.
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. Why does it look like that?
Look at my
It's
back.
like red and then white.
The back is fucking...
Oh yeah, but you're dark on this side, but it's red a little bit.
Yeah, Angie don't know how to use TikTok.
I
I'm giving her TikTok 101.
don't. How do you do it? What you know what you're doing?
Yummy.
Oh.
I like that one for you. We should each do one. They see him. Y'all never see me with curly hair. Oh yeah, that's evil twin. Evil twin, evil twin. Evil twin, evil twin. I don't know the words, y'all. Shut up. Shut up. We don't. Probably cuter than yesterday. We're on our way to breakfast. We late. We kind of slept in this morning though. But yeah, look how beautiful it is today. No clouds.
None.
Zero. We finna enjoy this breakfast. I'm getting the mimosas. Yeah, we got 30 minutes to down these shit, so let's go. It's pool day, huh? You're right. Angelica's speaker died. We gotta go back to the room. But yeah, look how beautiful the pool is. I didn't even show them yesterday how cute the pool is. Such a vibe. Today we a little turned down because yesterday we was doing a lot, y'all. We were doing the fucking most.
I don't want to talk about it. Okay.
I love that for us though. If not now, then when? If not now, then when? But yeah, yo. Let me show my friend again. The camera looks so good considering it's the iPhone. What we doing today, Beach?
We're gonna go. First, we're going to get our COVID test because.
Yes, y'all. If y'all travel out the country to get back home, you need to take a COVID test.
Annoying.
So wherever y'all stay, make sure it has a little health center free COVID test. But yeah, we about to get this little COVID test.
Then we're gonna go eat.
Now me covering the camera. Then we're gonna go eat. And then we hopping on the I was supposed to say ATV. What they call?
It's kind of like an
Kinda.
ATV actually.
But
It's
like,
a buggy. That's what they call it. A buggy.
yeah,
but it's
we're getting on
ATV.
Doom buggies, y'all. That's why we Sporty Spice over here.
Kind of matching too.
Yeah, we have sneakers on. So y'all know the motherfucking drill. I'm hungry though, like they playing. But yeah, yo, we about to see what the fuck. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can, but I can't promise nothing cause I'm scared. We made it, y'all. And I got me a presidente because I'm in Dior. Not in Dior. Yeah. The struggle we went through this morning. Not that fly on my shit. The struggle we went through this morning to get to breakfast and get here. I'm glad we made it in one piece. We're about to say cancel everything and give us our money back. We going back. Because they had us lonely over there. But we waiting to get on the little Doom buggy. I'm a little scary though. They're about to have us swimming in caves and shit. I'm glad I didn't bring my camera. We doing iPhone footage today because we finna get dirty. Hopefully I could get some footage though and get it popping. Period. Oh, we look cute. You look better without the shirt.
That's because this was holding it down.
Yeah, but we're gonna be cute on here. Period. I'm in a fucking cave, bitch. What? Look at this. This is He's taking pictures of Angie. It's picture day, y'all. He's the creative director, y'all. Hire him for your cave bookings. De chocolate.
Oh shit, I've been eating.
Hot fuck. I didn't even end the vlog properly. I clearly made it back home. I had such a good time. I'm mad I couldn't end it properly because it was just a lot going on. To get to the airport, get on that line, it was a lot of shit. I had to go through customs, immigration, all the things that come with traveling internationally. But I had such a good time. I wanted to let y'all know that if you do travel, please make sure you're vaccinated or you're going masked up, because it's definitely important to stay safe these days. But I'm glad me and Angie went. We went masked up. We had such a good time. I had such a good time. I can't wait to go on another trip and make more memories with my friend. It was a vibe. I'm a little sad to be back because I'm back to like cloudy ass weather, but I'm glad I got my little few days of sun, and hopefully there'll be more travel vlogs to come. So make sure you guys are subscribed, you like, you comment, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok. Y'all know the drill, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.